Hey, what's up? I recently got this Ironcube Ratcheting Screwdriver Set, and I can say that if you're ready to tackle your home improvement projects or you are looking for a good set of tools to carry in your car, this Ironcube toolset is a comprehensive solution for all your needs. Let's talk about some of the features. So, the bits are magnetic. This is one cool feature because they're not gonna be like falling down everywhere. And the ratchet handle offers 3 driver settings: forward ratcheting, reverse ratcheting, and lock fixed position. This set offers a variety of uses. It includes 9 versatile 1/4 inch drive sockets, 41 wide-ranging screwdriver bits, and precision bits. I have tested other toolsets and I can say that this one has a high quality steel bits and also alloy steel sockets, ensuring hardness and torqueness. So if you're ready to elevate your DIY game, consider getting this practical Ironcube Ratcheting Screwdriver Set.